Okay, for the last problem on the chapter 3, mine has an environmental agency is analyzing 78 lakes with pollution. So we're going to have 78 lakes. Let's get over here. So 78 lakes. And 7 of them, 7 have high dioxin levels. So how many ways, if we select 6 random lakes, how many ways could you have 1 polluted and 5 not polluted? And this becomes a counting experiment where we have 2 things we need to count. Of the 7 that have high dioxin levels, we're going to choose 1. And so that's going to count all the possibilities that we could grab of those 7. Now, 7 have high dioxin levels, so 71 don't have high dioxin levels. And so we can count the ways we can pick one of the 7 that have high dioxin levels, and then of the remaining 71, we have to choose 5 that aren't polluted. And so we plug into our calculator 7 choose 1 times 71 choose 5. And when we put that all in, we get back out 91,139,363. And remember, on the TI-30s, you would type 7, hit your probability key, arrow over to NCR, type 1, type your multiplication key, type 71, your probability key, arrow over to NCR, and type 5. And then when you hit enter or equal, it spits out the answer. The TI-84 does the same thing. You would type in 7, you would hit the math key, you would scroll over to probability, down to NCR, type 1, type multiplication, and then you would repeat. You would type 71, math, scroll over to probability, down to NCR and 5, and hit enter or equals. And you would get the answer. And so these are worked out examples for the first chapter 3 review.